Hello everyone, today we'll talk about the effects of releasing lady beetles in organic vegetable fields. There's a big problem with organic farmers and gardeners who pose challenges with dealing with pest controls naturally. So therefore this is why the lady beetle comes in, which is normally called a ladybug. Could be an effective way of controlling large number of pests, mainly aphids. So a way to introduce lady beetles to your garden or vegetable field is to introduce them during the early morning or late afternoon, so it won't be too hot for them. And good way to manage them to keep them in your fields is to plant nectaring plants that produce a food source for them. So once they consume all the aphids, they can stay. And this prevents aphids from destroying your crops by excreting honeydew or injecting toxins into your plants. And this is how the plants will look like after aphid infestation. The data we found, the diagram on the left shows the effects of releasing lady beetles into a vegetable field containing peppers. So they introduce a flightless strain, and you can see the downward trend of aphid population. On the right side is a similar study done inside a greenhouse, which is a different enclosed environment, and we saw the same effects also. So are ladybugs really effective? Yes. Farmers who use them save over $4.6 billion a year on insecticides that can be harmful to the environment and very expensive to use. And the lady beetles are shown to consume a large amount of aphids during all of their life stages, even in the larvae stage. So what challenges with lady beetles, they're not really available, or education on them is not that great. But based on the results, lady beetles are very beneficial to use, and we should promote them to other farmers.